Welcome to this leveling up workshop. So what I want to talk about today is branding. So we're going to be covering quite a lot on different types of branding, but today I just want to talk about like clothes. So if you haven't got your logo in a corner, or you haven't got a nice background or any of those sort of things with your logo in there, you want to make sure in all your videos that you have branding. Now why? Because it's really important that you get brand awareness out there, and also it means that if people do actually maybe pirate your videos or share your videos, if you've got them on YouTube to another platform, which happens a lot, then you need to make sure that you've got your brand on there so that people can find you. So it's such an important part of it. So there's loads of manufacturers now, you can send your logo to them and they can get t-shirts and all sort of branded caps and all sorts of things branded for you as far as clothes are concerned. So you know us at Zenler, like at the moment I'm just wearing a casual jumper, but when I actually put my branding on, then it actually shows my identity of who I am straight away. So I'm going to flick to me with my t-shirts on. So now I've got my t-shirt on, you can see exactly who I work for, because I'm branded. So other examples of branding might be like this, for instance, and this, and this, and also special challenges and events like this one. This is a day with Zenler, but we often have t-shirts done for special challenges or boot camps that we do. We also give out prizes with our branded logo on them. So people that win those challenges or boot camps can wear those and also market us. So as you can see, branded clothes and merchandise is really important, and it means that your brand is getting out there, and of course the all important videos contain your branding in case they are shared on other social channels. So that is branding yourself with actual merchandise.